In this double pullback variation video, I'm going to teach you a variation of a double pullback, or also known as a 4-sound pullback or 4-sound pickup or a staggered pullback or a syncopated pullback, all those names. I'm going to teach you a fun variation. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. So first, let's talk about just the double pullback, and that's what we're going to be doing a variation of. So I pull on my right, pull on my left, land on my right, and land on my left. All right, I'll do that again, this angle. How about from this side? One more time. All right, so we have 4 sounds. It's a normal double pullback, right? So we're going to spice that up. We're going to keep the first pull the same, the second pull the same, the first landing the same, but before that final landing on the left, we're going to drop our right heel. All right, so we're going to be doing pull, pull, land, heel, step. All right? So it'll be pull, pull, land, heel, step, essentially. That's about as slow as I can go. So I'm going to do it faster. The hard part is separating those sounds, and that's going to come with making sure the heel is not late and making sure the final step is not early. Because typically what happens is the heel's late and that final step's early, so they overlap really badly. So we're going to try to make sure that doesn't happen. If all goes well, you'll have something like this. Digga-digga-da. 1 E and a 2. Cool. I'll go from this angle. One more time. Cool. And that is your double pullback variation. We just added that right heel. If you're a teacher with a more advanced student, this is a great one to keep them challenged when they already have the double and they're kind of bored with it. This is a great way to spice it up. It is quite a bit harder, even though we're just adding that one heel sound. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and drop a comment down below, maybe another step that you would like to see a variation of. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you did enjoy this, we have a huge tap dance video dictionary and syllabus at UnitedTaps.com, where we have 315 different tap steps broken down on video with written notes and counts. This step is in there. You'll see all other kinds of cool variations and different steps that you might not have done or seen before. You can find all of that at UnitedTaps.com, plus a whole lot more. Again, that's our tap dance video dictionary and syllabus. I think you'll enjoy that. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.